Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the November 2023 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month is our bigger of our collection kits. It includes 4 brand new collections. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments, plus lots of freebies. So this is perfect to build up your collections or just to have a bigger variety of themes to scrapbook each and every month. We also have 3 add-ons available so that you can get more cardstock, more pattern paper, or more embellishments. So that's a great way to beef up your kit. We also have the Shots of Life, which coordinates with the Flavors of the Month. So you can add on more pattern paper and more embellishments by grabbing that kit as well. So I'll have video links at the end. Be sure to check them all out. So along with your kit, each month you'll receive a sample of gourmet coffee so you can brew that up and sip on it while you create or while you just unbox your goodies. You'll also have access to 4 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts and they're designed by our design team, and they are very talented, and they share with you their cutting and their assembly instructions and then give you a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with our awesome design team. You also have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You and they are exclusive to our subscribers. This month is this awesome cut file set, and the title is Handmade with Love, and it has the little jam jar with some little strawberries. So you can put that all together or just take bits and pieces of that cut file. And that is perfect for this season. I don't know about you, but in the fall and Christmas, I spend more time in the kitchen and baking and doing things like that, and more time eating. This month's 4 collections are Bella Boulevard, One Fall Day, Fancy Pants Enchanted Garden, Autumn Vibes from Photo Play Paper, and What's Cookin' from Simple Stories. So let's dig in. I'm going to show you up close everything that you're going to get in this month's kit. The first collection we're going to look at is One Fall Day from Bella Boulevard. So this is a fun twist on fall. It has their bright colors that Bella Boulevard is so well known for, but we also have the oranges and the yellows and turquoise along with the greens and the pinks and the light blue colors. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of natural cardstock, our patterned paper, this lovely butterfly print. The back is clouds, kind of in that turquoise. That is called Fall is a Flutter. Then we have a pink chevron, and the back are these gorgeous florals, and that is called Fall Break. We have a stripe with all of the different colors in the collection, and the back is a diagonal red plaid. That paper is called Grateful. So again, just beautiful colors to work with. For your embellishments, you're going to get a row of enamel shapes, so these will vary. You're also going to get a mixture of the word and title ephemera pieces. So you can see the titles up here that I received, and then lots of different ephemera, the die cuts of the shapes. So all of the embellishments will vary, but that gives you a good idea of what will be in there. So that is One Fall Day from Bella Boulevard. The next collection is Enchanted Garden from Fancy Pants Designs, and this is a gorgeous collection, very different from other things that we normally see. We're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock, this paper called Autumn Diamonds, and you're going to see these beautiful florals and leaves and things all the way throughout this, and this is a really dark background. The back is a diamond shaped with this gold and then the dark circles. We have this paper called Pumpkin Harvest, which has all of the different big pumpkins and gourds and mushrooms and some leaves. The back is this geometric shape, black on white. And we have this awesome buffalo check in red and black. This is called Cozy Plaid. And the back are more fall icons. We have some pumpkins and leaves. These would all be great to fussy cut out for embellishments, but that is just gorgeous. Love the colors on that. So one more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the foam words. So these are the ones I got. They're in green. And then you're also going to get about 1/4 a pack of the die cuts. So we have flowers, we have feathers and leaves. Just gorgeous. And more of those little mushrooms and acorns. So that is Enchanted Garden from Fancy Pants. If you enjoy the traditional fall colors and all of the leaves, then this collection's for you. This is Autumn Vibes from Photo Play Paper. You're going to start with 2 sheets of pine cone cardstock, that beautiful rich brown. This paper called Crunchy Leaves, which is a fun take on all of the fall foliage, but it's kind of artistic, so I love that. The back is a polka dot in all of the different colors on white. This paper is called Crisp Air, and it's a play on a plaid with all of the different colors. Love, love, love. The back is a linen textured brown print. Then we have this paper called Bushels, which is an orange leaf tone on tone. And the back has all the bushels with the florals, the pumpkins and the leaves and little sunflowers. Again, just a beautiful traditional fall collection. For your embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet, so lots of options. We have a border here of the leaves. We have a small scallop striped border, tons of word labels to help you with your titles and subtitles. And then we have blessed, autumn, thankful, fall. All of those are large words to work in your titles. Love this little play on this banner, and it includes the little socks. It's fall, y'all, great memories, pumpkins, so many cute icons. So that is Autumn Vibes from Photo Play Paper. Our final collection we're going to look at is What's Cooking from Simple Stories. So this is perfect whether you're baking or you're eating. You can document with this collection. I love the beautiful pinks, the gold, and the aqua together. It's just a beautiful soft collection. So you're going to begin with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper's called Let's Eat, and it's a ledger with these beautiful pink florals up the side. The back again is another floral all in pink on a grid. This paper is called Close Knit. It has the stripes with all of the different colors from this collection, and then all of the colors in a polka dot on that brown. Which reminds me of gingerbread. This would be perfect to mix in with some of the new Christmas collections that are out. This paper is called Lick the Spoon. It has a small, tiny floral print, and the back is an aqua plaid. Beautiful colors. For your embellishments, you're going to get 1 of the chipboard frames. So all of these embellishments will vary. Look at that. That's a page done. Put some photos and some journaling down here and a title. Perfect. You're also going to get some enamel dots. So those colors will vary. I got the off-white. And then 1/5 a pack of the die cut pieces. So again, all of these will vary, but this will give you a good idea of what there is. Love that stove there. So that is What's Cooking from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Don't forget to download your cut file, your recipe cards, and join us on the Facebook group and blog for all of the challenges and inspiration that you can find over there. If you'd like more of these collections, check out these videos here of the add-ons and the Shots of Life kit with coordinates. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.